Plaid Patrol, we need your help. We're on our way.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
Pride, leadership,
Attitude,
integrity,
determination.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
Gabrielle Raquel, please report to the counselor's office. Gabrielle Raquel. Gabrielle, just the person I want to see. Take a seat. Wait, don't take... You know what? Just sit. So, I think you know why you're here. Your grades, Gabrielle. Your grades.
Look, I know I'm not going to get into the college I wanted to, okay? There's no point in trying.
Don't worry, Gabrielle. I know just the solution. So, Gabrielle, Gabby, can I call you Gabby?
My friends call me Gabby.
Okay, Gabrielle. Your grades. What happened?
I recently found out that I don't have enough money to get into Princeton. And that's been my dream school for as long as I can remember. I just want to make my parents proud, but how can I if I don't have enough money?
Gabrielle, there are many scholarships you can apply for.
But how can I do that when my grades are...
Shh, that's why we're here, to help you plan for success.
But college applications are due in a week. How am I supposed to get my grades up when I...
It's okay to ask for help when things get hard.
Well, can you help me?
Well, Gabrielle, you've done it. You've gotten a full ride scholarship to Princeton.
Thank you for showing what determination can do for me. You're the best, and I couldn't have done it without you. Thanks, Plaid Patrol.